there are many challenges to the job. Some of the children have been, in my particular experience with one of my children, they hadn't gone to school a lot, so they'd missed a hell of a lot of school. And getting them back into a school routine, that was a huge challenge, and it's still an ongoing challenge, but we're making baby steps, and I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So this particular child, I feel, is going to be settled into full-time school very soon. But it's been a huge challenge to help her to understand that she needs an education, because she never realised that she needed one.
Sure. Again, the challenges are wide and varied, and I think, one of the most important qualities, I think, and we've all got that in our family, it runs through us, doesn't it, is consistency and patience.
We find a solution.
Yeah, definitely.
We don't give up.
No.
It's a challenge.
Never.
Yeah.
No.
We kind of like a challenge.
Yeah. And that's good for we're all sisters, actually, because we can share to some sort of extent experiences, and lean on each other for support for different things, and actually and it's funny, we have a laugh, don't we?
We do,
along the way. And it's lovely to see the children laughing.
Yeah, definitely.